Hi everyone, my name is Little. So today I'm gonna show you how to do inversion pattern. First, you really need to know how to control your wrist, and then the handle needs to go out if you're on the right hand side. So you put the first pattern in. Don't turn the cup back yet, because otherwise you don't have the room for the other sides. So you put the first patterns, and then you turn back, and then you put the other pattern. So this will work with the inversion tulip. But if you're actually drawing the animal patterns, so sometimes only this would work. You don't need to put your thumb here, because you gotta put the first leaf here and then you can come back. This is more easier for some patterns, but for the inversion tulip, I find this very useful because when you come back, you get the pattern right in the center. All right, let's get started. Okay, I show you slowly again. So the thumb and then two fingers, and then go out. So make sure you have more room here, because when you turn back, it's quite more easier. So this one-way turn. So you put first pattern, then you slowly turn. Make sure your pattern don't move too much, and then you put the other pattern, because this pattern really need to make sure that you get that symmetry right in the center. See? Slowly. All right.